Well, tomorrow is the last day of the third quarter. It has been another blockbuster quarter for stocks.
So let's look back on the best and the worst performers during that time. Courtney Donahoe joins us now for a look at those stocks. Let's start with the good news.
Yeah, we'll start with the best performer, and it actually is the best performer today, and that's Gannett, and it's up about 17% today, but up a whopping 225% over the past 3 months. Big jump, not what we usually hear when it comes to the newspaper sector, right. But there has been reports of improvement within the advertising business, and as they said, third quarter earnings coming in better than expected. Although advertising is still a little bit difficult, their publishing comparisons have improved. Retransmission fees have tripled, and also seeing big cost cuts too, and they have cut a bunch of jobs. They cut about 1,400 jobs back in July.
And also seeing some big games, the Hartford. What's going on there?
Yeah, the Hartford. And actually, ironically, it's one of the worst performers today.
Right.
But that's up over 141% so far in the past 3 months.
So they've been able to navigate this even though the insurance market's been getting beat up during the credit crisis.
Exactly. They said unrealized losses narrowed to $3.3 billion. And one analyst, I think this is an interesting quote, or actually, CEO Romani Era said, unlocking the value he believes shareholders are not giving them any credit for, because the company has been unprofitable for the past 4 quarters because of the declines in bond values. Also, they have to pay out annuities too, but they have improved in some of their real estate holdings and also tightening that they're seeing in spreads.
News on Hartford today that's got stock down?
No, not that I've seen, and I was actually looking for that a little bit earlier to see kind of what's going on, but that's something that I'm looking into.
Okay, Tenet shares jumping a lot?
Yeah, up 100% so far, and you know, they raised their 2009 earnings forecast too, and the analyst Cheryl Skolik of Pally Capital said it's a stunning statement to raise it so much, to raise their earnings forecast so much. But the American Hospital Association, they came out and they said hospitals may gain $16 billion because of all the healthcare reform that we're seeing.
And Courtney, quickly, downside, Moody's, McGraw-Hill?
Yep. Ratings agencies, because of they're coming under fire from all the lawmakers from what we're seeing right now when they ended up putting in strong ratings because of the subprime securities. Judge refusing to dismiss a class action lawsuit for the companies, and they still face congressional panels. They have a congressional panel happening tomorrow, so we're going to see that, and we're going to keep our eye on those.
Will do. Thanks for the update, Courtney.
Thank you. Thanks.